All right, count these pages with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 pages, but it's actually just one standard letter-sized piece of paper cut and folded. And as you can see, you fold it out, and there it is, one letter-sized piece of paper. So here's how you make it. First things first, you're going to want a letter-sized piece of paper that's 8.5 by 11, and you fold it in half lengthwise, and then you take that long piece of paper and you fold it in half not lengthwise, the other way, and then do it again just like that, so that you have 8 even squares folded onto your piece of paper. So you can unfold that and fold it flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares. Perfect. So then what you do is you fold it in half to this point, just like that, and you grab yourself a scissor and you very carefully cut ever so slightly the corner of the page from the corner to that fold, and then you unfold it and just make sure that that cut went all the way through. And if it didn't, just grab the scissor and gently extend the cut to the corner, and then you will have your paper ready to go. The next part is you fold the one part, the one section, like you can see, fold it inside out. So if it's folding in, then you fold it out, and then you can fold them all square and flatten out your paper, and then you have your 8 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The next thing we're going to do is take a pencil and in the bottom corner mark those pages. Number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one, 8. And then you can take your pencil and just draw your frames or draw whatever you want to draw on those things. I'm just going to draw frames for now because I'm going to unfold it, and so that all of my sections are flat. And then having the number in the bottom corner helps me to understand on each page which way is up. And then I can unfold the page and draw my content on there properly. So I actually took a picture of this once it was all laid out and imported it into my favorite drawing software, digital drawing software, Clip Studio. And I'm adding all of my stuff over top of the sketch that I did on the paper and adding my own sketches digitally as well. It just works better for me. So once I got done my sketch layer, I printed it off duplex onto a letter sheet of paper to see if it all printed okay. As you can see, some of the stuff gets cut off because there is, of course, no print zones on each piece of paper, on each printer, specific to each printer. So you have to kind of print one off and make adjustments as you go. So I will. Once I got it all inked, I thought it'd be fun to put a list on one side of fun summer activities to do, and then the comic on the other side, and then so that when it's all folded up, you can read it as a comic book, and when you unfold it, you can use it as a summer bucket list. So now all that's left to do is fold it the way that I showed you at the beginning of the video. Now there's other ways you can fold it to make sure that it folds nice, like I do lengthwise, and then non-lengthwise. But there's other ways, and it just really depends on how neat and crisp and tidy your folds are. Like when I fold it like that, it gets a little squishy. So it's actually a little more effective to fold it in half, and then fold each side separately into the crease. But anyway, it doesn't matter. As you can see, I'm currently creasing those out anyway. So yeah, then I cut with scissor, nice and tight to the line, and then fold it up, and voila, you will have a finished 1 page to 8 pages, kind of like tiny little zine. And of course, I like to make just silly comics, and sometimes people use these as just ways to publish their thoughts without having a publisher. It's cheap, it's easy, it's fast, it's fun, and collecting zines is really fun too. I actually have a ton of zines that other people have made that I buy when I go to conventions and festivals. So anyway, there you go.